voices in my head, on from the streets, raised by sound, always shake when we come around. 808 speak, silence breaks frame by frame. We elevate, no cap, no fake, pure vision. This ain't a name.
Hello everyone, welcome
it's
to
Juju Edition.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you pro-level face tracking. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, import the video in which you want to do face tracking into the After Effects timeline. Now on the side, you will see the tracker panel. Click on it. You will see 2 square tracking points. Adjust these tracking points according to the noise or features of the face. Next, click on the options icon, select stop tracking, and set if confidence is below to 95%, then click OK. Now click on Analyze Forward and start the tracking. If during tracking it gets stuck somewhere, reset the tracking points at that position and then continue the tracking again. After the tracking is completed, go to Edit Target, select Apply Dimensions, X and Y, and then click Apply. Now if you see black negative space moving up, down, or sideways in the video, to remove that space, add the Motion Tile effect. In the Effects panel, set Output Width and Output Height to 200. Then turn on the Mirror Edges option. The black negative space will disappear. But to make the video more proper, pre-compose the video. After that, slightly increase the scale as needed. And now, your face tracking is ready. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.